So we're out doing some dove hunting today, and Kelby's running the camera. I'm going to try and limit out today. This is my actual first time with a real shotgun hunting dove. So we'll see what we can come up with.
Gotcha. There you go. You got one. He was coming in full speed. He was coming in full speed. Yeah.
Well, there's one. It's like 100 degrees. I wonder how hot it really is. Probably in the 80s, high 80s. Huh?
I would guess 93.
Whoa, whoa. We'll just keep at it, and I'm out of practice on the swing shooting. I think I've gone through 30 shots, and I've killed 2. So, okay, I may bag wing shooting, but this is a good way to keep on your shooting skills on moving targets. We're going to start doing a lot more wing shooting on film, and I mean, this is a really good practice thing for, like, I use my shotgun for coyotes a lot, because coyotes, I can get them in close. It's easier to hit them with a shotgun than it is with a 22-250 at 5 feet.